Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best HDMI Cable Reviews. Number 5. Amazon Basics. Meets the latest HDMI standards. Connects Blu-ray players. The need for a separate Ethernet cable. Backed by Amazon Basics lifetime warranty. Item weight 2.88 ounces. Backwards compatible with earlier versions. Number 4. Speed HDMI Cable. Compatible with all HDMI components. US-based customer support. 24K gold-plated full metal jacket connectors. The cable is backwards compatible. A limited lifetime warranty. Backwards compatible with earlier versions. Number 3. Fusion 4K HDMI. HDR high dynamic range provides wider 4K Ultra HD resolution. HDMI 4K cable supporting HDMI 2.08. "4K and Ultra HD compatible. Richer range of colors. Professional broadcasting events." Number 2. Cable Matters gold-plated DisplayPort. Equip computer to an HD TV. Gold-plated connectors. Transmits high-definition audio and video. Latches provides a secure connection. Bare copper conductors. Limited 1-year warranty. Number 1. Media Bridge. "28 AWG pure copper conductors. Our hand testing process. We will catch virtually all manufacturing defects. Our limited lifetime warranty. Devices with standard HDMI ports. HDMI ports supporting Ethernet.